Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Band Together Bundle, and this is a simple little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using the Band Together Bundle, and we are going to be using Celebrate the Best Day Ever. And this die, so I'm going to bring in my big shot. And we're also going to be using the coordinating oval. Just going to put this right here. You know what? Let me stamp that first. So I have the stamp mounted on clear BLOCKC, and this is Melon Mambo. This is for a color challenge on our team. I'm just going to put it right here, and that is all the stamping we're doing. And our colors for the color challenge were Melon Mambo, Greeny Apple Green, and So Saffron. So I have a piece of the So Saffron Vellum, and then I have this right here, and we're just going to run these through. All right, and that's all that we're using the big shot for, so we'll put this out of the way. All right, so we have that. And then this was Whisper White. Sorry I didn't tell y'all that. And I'm just going to get my trash can here. And I have my Take Your Pick tool with the die brush. So I have the other side here, and I'm just going to push that out. And these are not typically colors that I would have put together, so it's really good to do some challenges sometimes, get you out of your comfort zone. Try to roll this some more here. Let me go ahead and bring it in my foam pad, make it a little bit easier. All right, so we put this aside. Oh, you know what? We are going to use the big shot one more time. I have the Subtle embossing folder. And then I have a piece of the Granny Apple Green. And actually, I think I'm going to do it this way. And this piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. So I wanted it to make a big wide border. So hopefully this shows up. Isn't it cute? I love that. All right, so our card base is Melon Mambo, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've already scored it at 4 1/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this piece here in the middle, and I'm just going to fold the tabs over just like that. And I have my glue dots. So I'm just going to put the tabs down with the glue dots. And then we're going to get our snail adhesive. It's running away from me. And it's going to make a wide border. And then, let's see, I'm going to get my Stampin' Dimensionals. Now I want it in the center, so pull that up. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my glitter enamel dots. And I'm going to get my take your pick again. And I'm going to use these bigger ones here. And then the second to the smallest up at the top. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to let someone know to celebrate the best day ever. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!